Learn With Us is a specially designed programme from the University of Southampton to support students who have the potential to enter higher education but may not be currently considering it. The secondary school programme is available for students in every year group, with content tailored to the specific stage and learning needs of each group. As part of this programme, we've created 4 digital workshops that combine film, animation, and a workbook to help students look at the bigger picture, understand the different stages of education, and provide them with a toolkit to support their journey to university. The digital workshops are split into bite-sized pieces of content separated by animated hold screens that prompt students to fill out their workbooks at given points throughout the lesson. As the content is modular, it can be used either in one lesson or broken up and spread across multiple lessons. Our Learn With Us digital workshops are a fun and engaging way to inspire students to think about higher education, improve academic attainment and intellectual self-confidence, and broaden horizons. Find out more about how you can access our digital workshops and the University of Southampton's Learn With Us programme